Onward to Crush and Gusher.
I figured that or Calamity Falls would be the one you wanted to watch first.
Yeah, I like Crush and Gusher better than, because Calamity Falls is the big family one, right?
Correct.
Yeah, I was thinking about that yesterday. Not my fave. For the wait, not my fave. I love Crush and Gusher so much better. It's got more oomph to it.
When you reach the bottom of the slide, please exit by swimming to the stairs. Be careful of the strong current and remember to place your tube in the area provided.
Oh, there goes the wave. This is a little kids area. So cute. We went to the other side to do a tube ride, and the line took forever because one of the slides was down. And we've been standing in the sun for who knows how long. Woo, that water feels nice. There's sprinklers everywhere to wet your feet and wet your body. Whew. Oh, I forgot to mention it earlier. We put all of our stuff in a locker. Woo, cold. Woo, cold. Got a tube on my head. It's just the Key Hall Falls. The Mayday Falls are not working currently. Unfortunate. Fireworks there. There's fireworks here. There's fireworks over there.
There's a thing that says fireworks right there.
Fireworks. That is the theme.
There's fireworks down there.
So I'm
There's a
guessing
giant firework over there.
there's a giant firework up right over there. So did like fireworks explode and that's what caused this slide, you think?
Maybe.
I wonder why that one's not working. Maybe it's a cast issue. This is a nice little chill ride. Oh, now it's picking up. Whee! Not too fast, nice and steady. Not too fast. All the way up. That was a nice little chill ride. I wonder how they make the walk. I wonder how they make the water push you so fast.
Jets.
Really?
Also, I can't hear you. My ears are under the water. When I lay on my back, I can't hear what you're talking.
This boat reminds me of Jurassic Park for some reason. I don't know why. I think it's just the sounds, the ambiance, the BGM.
I'm pretty sure the Jurassic Park ride has a boat like that off to the side that's been attacked.
We're in Jurassic Park. We got the hush puppies, fish and chips, and the chicken aioli chili strips.
questo piano.
Wave pool makes me nervous. So I found a nice took a break from the extreme waves to grab some ice cream. Jared got Dippin' Dots, and I was able to use my snack coupon to get my ice cream. Strawberry bar, just in front of the wave pool by the bathrooms. This is what we were missing. Ice cream. We got to get a picture with Stitch right by the store. Yay! Hi, Mr. Gator. Thanks for hanging out with us.